Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Oluwabusayo Dukoya and you can also call me the Global Teacher. Today we're talking about rules of divisibility for 7. Now, at first, this might actually look challenging, but be rest assured, if you pay attention, I'm very sure you will get it. It's very simple. Now, if you're trying to divide any number by 7, the first thing you will do is the last digit of that particular number, double the last digit. Once you have doubled the last digit of that particular number, the answer you get, subtract it from the rest of the digits. Let me come again. If you are trying to divide any number by 7, the last digit of that number, multiply it by 2 and subtract it. The results you get, subtract it from the rest of the digits. Let's take for example 182. Now 182. What's the last digit of this number? The last digit of this number is 2. So let's double it. 2 times 2, 4. Now the rest of the digits is actually 18. So that's 18 minus 4. We have what? 14. Now 14 is 14 divisible by 7? Yes, 14 is divisible by 7. So that means that 182 is going to be divisible by 7. Now let's check if 182 is divisible by 7. Seven in 18, we have 2. Remainder 4. 7 in 42, that's 6. So that means that 182 is divisible by 7. Let's take another example. Now, 371. Now let's see if 371, if it is divisible by 7. The last digit of this number is 1. So let's double it. We have 2. The rest of digits we have 37. So 37 minus 2, which is what we got when we doubled 1. So that's 37 minus 2. That's what? 35. So is 35 divisible by 7? Yes, 35 is divisible by 7. So that means that 371 is divisible by 7. Let's check. 7 in 37, that's 5. Remainder 2. 7 in 21, that's 3. So that implies that 371 is divisible by 7. Now let's try this for a higher number. Now let's see if 1344, if it is divisible by 7. Now the last digit here is 4. So let's double 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8, subtract 8 from 134, which is the remaining digit when we have removed 4. So 134 minus 8 is what? 126. So 126. Now we would have to check if 126 is divisible by 7. Now let's check. We are going to repeat that same rule here. So 6 is the last digit here. So let's double 6. 6 times 2, that's 12. 12. The remaining number here is 12. 12 minus 12, which is what we got when we doubled 6. So 12 minus 12 is what? 0. 0 is 0 divisible by 7. That's 0 divided by 7. Will give us 0 remainder 0. When you're dividing 7 by nothing. So that means you get nothing remainder nothing. That's 0 divided by 0. So that would make 1344 to be divisible by 7. Now let's check. Divided by 7. 7 in 13, we have 1, remainder 6. 7 in 64, that's 9, remainder 1. 7 in 14, that's 2. So we can see that 1344 is divisible by 7. Now let's try this for another number. Let's try this for another number. Now, the last digit of this number is 3. So let's double 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. The remaining digit here is 21. You have 21 minus 6. What's 21 minus 6? That's 15. Is 15 divisible by 7? No. So that implies that 213 will not be divisible by 7, according to the rule of divisibility for 7. Now, let's see if 213 will be divisible by 7. 7 in 21, you have 3. 7 in 3, 0. Remainder 3 over 7. So we can say that 213 is not divisible by 7. So let me repeat that. For any number to be divisible by 7, if you are trying to divide any number by 7, and you want to see if that number is divisible by 7, the first thing you have to do is the last digit of that number, double it. Double the last digit of that number. The result you get, subtract it from the rest of the digits. If the answer is divisible by 7, that means that number as a whole will be divisible by 7. Now, for the exercise for the week, I will give us series of numbers, and I will give you series of numbers, and I will ask you to tell me which of the numbers are actually divisible by 7. So which of the numbers is or are divisible by 7? So which of these numbers is or are divisible by 7? 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 1, then 1, 4, 4, 7. So which of these numbers is divisible by 7? Have a lovely week. Bye.